Two of Italy's most extreme performance machines meet on the legendary Imola circuit for a drag race that feels more like a showdown between titans. On one side, the Lamborghini Temerario, a brand new hybrid supercar from Sant'Agata Bolognese. On the other, Ducati's latest track weapon, the Panigale V4, a 7th generation superbike born from MotoGP roots. Lamborghini's Temerario is a bold step into the electrified future of speed. It features a completely new twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors, delivering a combined power output of 907 horsepower. What sets this engine apart is its ability to reach an incredible 10,000 revolutions per minute, unheard of in a production supercar. With a top speed exceeding 210 miles per hour and 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, the Temerario is built to shatter expectations. Ducati's Panigale V4 is no underdog though. It brings 216 horsepower from its MotoGP-derived 16 stradale V4 engine, along with an arsenal of electronic rider aids such as the Ducati Vehicle Observer and race-enhanced cornering brake system. These systems allow riders to push the limits safely and with confidence, no matter their skill level. When these two legends launch off the line at Imola, it is the Lamborghini that takes advantage of its sophisticated launch control system. Activated with the push of a checkered flag button on the new race-style steering wheel, it delivers an instant and powerful start that shows just how far high-performance hybrid technology has come. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more face-offs like this one.